Lillehammer is a sports city, so we are so proud of sports. We're so happy with all the sports events that go through the year. But I mean, we have been lacking proper sailing events, and I don't think there's anything as beautiful as a wonderful lake like this with a cascade of white sails on it. And I also think that sails are on its most beautiful when they are on a lake like ours. So we are extremely happy to have this addition to the family of sports events in Lillehammer. So we have all kinds of major events in winter sports, like we have had a World Championship this year and we'll have another next year. So this is slightly smaller scale, but still this is a wonderful addition, and I think that's very important to the city, that we actually can close up with the water better than we have, and this is an excellent addition to that, contribution to that. I think this is absolutely wonderful, and we are delighted to have people here, and I think this is a new experience for many of the participants. It's also a new experience for us, but I think this is something we should develop that could be fantastic as a tradition. There are less waves here because there's a little bit of current in the water, and that makes it also a special sailing experience. So we hope this can be a yearly event, and that we can expand also the tradition of sailing on Mjøsa and sailing events on Mjøsa.